Earning 300 every day might sound intriguing at first, right? Well, let me break it down for you in simple steps. Imagine you're sitting at your computer, and you stumble upon a way to make some extra cash. First, all you need to do is copy a web link. Just point your cursor to the link you want to copy, left-click your mouse, and select Copy from the menu that appears. It's as easy as copying a text from one document to another. Now here comes the fun part. You'll take that copied link and paste it into a designated spot. Think of it like gluing a piece of paper onto a board. Click your mouse again, but this time choose Paste in the menu. So far, so good, right? Next, you'll hit the Add to Website button. It's like placing that piece of paper with the link onto a bulletin board for others to see. Just one more simple click. Now here's where things get exciting. Once you've added the link, you'll start receiving $21.90 for each one. Imagine this as a virtual money tree that yields $21.90 each time you add a leaf to it. But it doesn't stop there. Let's multiply that daily earning by 15, which means you're making a grand total of $328.50 each day. That's like having a fountain of income flowing into your bank account. And guess what? You're doing all of this using a tool that many of us use regularly, Google Translate. No complicated software or technical skills required, just a simple process that adds up to a daily income. Today, I'm excited to share with you an engaging and accessible method that can help you generate an income of up to $45 in just half an hour or even less. We'll be using Google Translate, a tool that many of you are probably already familiar with. What's great about this is that it's perfect for beginners, and you don't need any prior experience or technical expertise to get started. But that's not all. I have an additional website to introduce to you, and I'll demonstrate how you can use TikTok to enhance your results even further. So stick with me and I'll guide you through the entire setup process step by step. All you need to do is follow along and click where I click. Let's jump right in and explore this exciting opportunity together. If you're not familiar with CPA, it stands for Cost Per Action. It's a way to earn money online without selling anything. Instead, you get paid for simple tasks like entering an email address or a mobile number. Typically, the pay is lower compared to the traditional method. However, in this video, I'll show you how to choose high-paying tasks and drive traffic to them using the method I'll explain. The first website we'll use is Google Translate. It's straightforward to use. You type in English, and it automatically translates it into your chosen language, such as Mandarin or French. We'll be getting our offers from CPA Grip, a well-known CPA website with a wide variety of tasks to pick from. To get paid, you'll only need a PayPal account. Now, let's dive into the details of making money with CPA marketing. First, go to CPA Grip and create an account by clicking the Register button in the top right corner. Fill in your information and click Register Now. Once you've signed up, log in, and your dashboard will appear as shown below. You'll also notice a public chat section where users share their results. As you can see, many people are finding success with this website. The first step is to choose high-paying offers. To do that, go to the left side and click on Offer Tools. Then select My Offers in the Country section. You'll see your country already selected, along with the available offers in your country. To sort the offers by the highest payout, click on Payout. Under the Type section on the left, you can check if the offer is for desktop, iOS, or Android. For example, this particular offer is suitable for Android users. When you click on the offer, a window will appear, showing you the link you need to promote and the information visitors should provide for you to earn a commission. To get your affiliate link, simply click the Copy Link button. There's also a thumbnail showing how the offer page looks when someone clicks your link. To filter and find the best offers, select European countries like France, Italy, Germany, and Spain. These countries generally offer higher payouts for actions performed. To do this, click on your country and type the desired country name, such as France. Then, click to sort by payout and select the highest paying offer. For example, this offer pays $36.36 for each completed task. However, it's essential to understand the offer thoroughly to promote it effectively. Now let's choose an offer suitable for iPhone users. The offer page looks like this, and it asks people to provide their contact information. To promote this offer, click the Copy Link button. Save this link in Google Docs or Notepad because it's the link you'll need to share. When anyone clicks on your link and completes the task, you earn a commission. Now I'll introduce you to a website that can help us promote our link and get free traffic. The website is called trafficadbar.com, and it guarantees over 1,000 visitors every 3 days to your website or the link you'll be sharing. There's another website that offers even more traffic, but let's start with this one. Imagine if just 10 visitors click on our link and enter their mobile numbers. we could potentially make around $219. Now picture this. If 1,000 visitors complete the task, we could expect to earn a substantial $2,190. The best part is that it only takes us about 15 minutes to set everything up. Let's be realistic. If only 1% of visitors take the desired action, that's still more than $200 in the worst-case scenario. Even if just one person takes the action, we still earn $21.90 for less than 15 minutes of work. So, let's share our link on this fantastic website and attract some free traffic. To sign up for a traffic ad bar, follow these simple steps. First is to click the sign up button and provide your first name and email address. Then click Join after receiving the activation link in your email inbox. Then activate your account. Proceed to the next steps, create a password, choose a username, and check for username availability. Finally, create your account. You'll then reach a page where you'll need to finish setting up. Click OK and select a time, for example 5 o'clock, and save it. Here's where you add your affiliate link or the link generated from CPA Grip. Copy your CPA link and paste it into the traffic ad bar. Before that, remember to shorten your link for better click rates. You can do this by going to bit.ly.com, creating an account, logging in, pasting your CPA link, and giving it a catchy title. First, click on the Create button. This will generate a short link. Once you've copied the link, go to the traffic ad bar and paste it there. Then click on Add Website. Now head over to Google Translate. Choose the language you're translating from. In my case, it's English, and the language you're translating to in this case, it's Spanish. Type something like iPhone giveaway in English, copy the Spanish translation, and paste it into the traffic ad bar's title section. Next, add another line such as sign up right now and do the same. Copy the Spanish translation and paste it there. Scroll down and select the ad's language, Spanish in our case, and then choose Spain as the target location for your ad. Pick a date when you want your ad to appear and click Save. For those of you who have made it this far in the video, I want to share an amazing website I discovered while making this video. You can use it for free and get up to 6,000 visitors. Alternatively, for a small investment of $10, you can get a whopping 60,000 visitors. Sounds fantastic, right? On top of that, it's incredibly easy to use. Simply sign up with your email and password. The website is called Sigma Traffic, and you should definitely check it out. As a bonus tip, consider using TikTok or YouTube Shorts to gain more free traffic. Create videos about the iPhone or the offer you want to promote, and you can attract millions of free viewers with minimal effort. If you'd like me to dive deeper into this topic in another video, please let me know. That wraps up today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel and hit the notification bell so you never miss our future content. Also, don't forget to give us a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thanks for watching. This has been the Digital Wealth Hive, and remember to be wealthy. Bye.